Hey guys, it's Artem here. This is my small rant about no-code and transitioning from no-code to code. I spent last 6 months just learning about this code thing because I found it really interesting, and I was always kind of questioning how it's different from the no-code and why it's why a lot of people talking that it's like that super hard and stuff. What I found is like it's not that hard, first of all. Secondly, it's really similar to no-code because I mean, I don't think this is like a secret, and you basically writing the code with no code. It's just code behind the scenes. So this is all kind of the same. And if you know good at Bubble and like you know a lot of this stuff, you can easily apply all of this to code. And I generally find it's more exciting and kind of fun way of if you like building stuff. Yeah, it's just fun. So the concept is like, yeah, if you know Bubble, you're writing code behind the scenes, uh, and yeah, it's this kind of simple. The same goes with like styles that you like add like some shadows or like colors. You basically also like writing CSS. You're writing also code. It's just the visual. You do it all visual instead of writing like in the file with like text. Yeah, like with the coding language. And before it was hard, like even like two years ago, without all of AI tools that we have nowadays, it was hard to learn all of this stuff. Like you need to really, I know, spend some time. And if you're busy and you want to just launch something to do some business, it was kind of not a smart way of spending your time. Because if you want to launch something, it's not good to see it and learn and read, and you want to go from 0 to 1 fast. But now with AI tools, it is easier and easier. And I found like every day I thinking about this that it's like even faster than Bubble. Why? Because instead of writing like boilerplate stuff like button hover states and like some actions for the database querying or saving to the database or checking like out state, instead of doing this all yourself, you just show AI kind of what you're trying to achieve, or ask AI what you want to do. I will show you later, and it just auto complete it for you. And this boilerplate stuff is like I like the way working like this, because you kind of sit on top of all of it and you can orchestrate what is going on. But all the hard work of like the manual labor, yeah, will be done by the large language model. So this is cool. This is like saving me so much energy, frankly speaking. And yeah, I like the way of working. So the foundation is it's still like if you're good at Bubble, you're good at building apps for sure. And not only this, you are kind of good at a lot of things like marketing. If you know, if you like made a business out of it, how you, because the code is like the easier part, then you need to sell it. And if you build apps like indie hacking, like used as a solo developer, it is kind of like you're not only the builder, you're also the marketer, you're also the designer, you're also the support like agent or something, like you all at once. So if you're good at Bubble, you like almost there in terms of building the same stuff as the code. You're just missing some small details. These details is like the foundation, like, because you know the Bubble, you know how it all works, but you're not writing it behind the scenes. And these three things, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, is basically how the web works. If you are still do not quite understand what is this, and you want to jump straight into coding, I do not recommend this. Start with this and YouTube or Free Code Camp. These resources, just spend some time, like I don't know, like a day or two, understanding this. Then you can go to like pick a framework if you want and start building. But this is important, because like with these three things, you can already start building something, and then it's just you will better understand the framework that you are using. Then if you know all these three things, you will know like how your framework is working behind the scenes. And why to do all of this? Yeah, it's just fun. Like I find like this is really exciting stuff to do. The building is fun, building with code, and when you have the speed with all this like auto completion and like when the AI writes your boilerplate stuff, it's just fun. You can kind of focus on the core thing or like focus on the idea and execute as fast as possible. Yeah, I launched a community on the Discord, like for people who want to go from the bubble to coding and learn the stuff, get better at it. I will leave a link in the description, like join community if you like what I'm talking here, what I'm talking about, and you want to, I don't know, like build together, get better at it together. So join, it's completely free, and I hope you will have some fun there. Basically, right now what I want to show you is kind of how it sort of works. Like, yeah, this is the cursor, and I hope you know what's like code editor. You like write some text in the editor, and this is basically your like elements and actions and stuff. What is cool about this, first of all, like you always can hover on something and you can chat to ask question about what is happening here and get some understanding. Or what is also cool is like you can edit, you can ask what you want to change here. So imagine the same, like if you apply to Bubble, kind of as an example, for example, hover the workflows that you have and ask AI to change your workflows. This is kind of how it's applied here, or change the UI. And this is, for my opinion, if you just imagine, it's super powerful. So you're not spending time at all. You're just spending time on the actual the core logic, because AI is not good at like doing something like creative usually, or like understanding like what you exactly trying to achieve here. So you are sitting on top and you tell AI what you want to do, and the hard work is done by AI. The same goes for the settings. If we go to the to our settings, I want to show you like yeah, this indexing. So you can always add a documentation here to index this stuff. What does it mean is, for example, if you want to add like a Bubble plugin documentation and build plugins with this, you can easily do this, and AI will understand what's going on, like how it works, like how to build plugins, and will easily help you. The same goes with the code base. So AI indexing your files here and give you more relevant suggestions, because it understands like what you're doing, how you usually write your code, how it should be structured properly. Yeah, this is powerful. This is powerful, I think. Yeah, this is my first video in this series. Like, if you really like it, if you want me to show how I'm doing all of this, like in the real time, like so I build some project or like some feature together, let me know. For now, this is all. I will leave like all the links. Join the community if you like interested in this, and thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.